Good morning. Today is January 26, 2026. It is a Monday and we just had a rainstorm come through, so my shoes got wet, but I'm barefoot now because I don't like squishy shoes. And I can't tell you how many people have like just either silently judged me or just not even judged me at all and completely understand like, yep, because most people are in flip-flops anyways. But I don't like squishy shoes. It's my first year actually wearing tennis shoes since I was a kid, because from, I want to say high school and up, middle school and up, I always wore flip-flops because I don't like regular shoes. Coffee. Coffee. And cheers to you, my friends. We ended up at Summerland miniature golf here at Disney. Let's go. I can't wait to beat Edison in golf today.
No, you're not.
Here we go. I'm gonna go beat Edison.
No, you're not.
It's a snowing.
Snow.
All right, hole one. Gnome away from gnome. Go for it, kiddo. Oh, we're so close, Edison. I got a hole in one. Go, Edison. Oh, so close. Go, Edison, go. Edison! Go, Edison. And go. Oh, no. Oh, whoa. Retry. Okay. Alrighty.
Oh my God.
Wrong way, Edison. Yes. Good job.
That's what I like to see.
Where'd it go? Edison, your ball didn't come out.
Oh, maybe they broke the path.
Oh, this is so strange. Where'd your ball go? Here, I had to hit my ball and I went in too. And it finally pushed Edison's ball out. Let's see. Oh, goodness. Oh, Edison. Into the bushes again. Oh, yeah, no, he's just dribbling.
Inside you. Not shriveling.
Oh. Anger. Oh my goodness. You guys probably couldn't see that because Edison's golf club was in the way.
Yeah.
Edison, come to yours.
Okay. My turn?
Yeah. Yar. Hold your club up on the grip, not on the metal. There you go. Now try. Go. Almost hit my phone. Oh my God. All right. Oh my gosh, how do you still miss? Good job, Edison. Yeah,
Hole in one.
Wait, did we just say that at the same time? Hole number 7. Here we go. No. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Yes!
I got one.
Video's gonna be copyrighted, but that's okay. Oh my God. Video's gonna be copyrighted. Oh my gosh. How did it come back to you and just hit it automatically like that? I have no clue where your ball went though. Because it did not go in here. Where's your ball? Oh my
God.
Where is it?
Oh my God.
Oh, it's right here. I found it. I found your ball. Yeah. Oh, oh, you want to grab it? Good job. And you have the infamous sand castle. Ah, I hit it. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Why? Oh, you have to be kidding me. Do you guys see this? Wow! It's all Edison's fault.
What the heck did I do?
Alright, let's see if I can make it. Woo! I did it, Edison. Your turn. Oh my gosh. Go, go. That's cheating. Who cares? You're 6. Let's see. Too bad. Oh, that was so close, Edison. Shh, Edison, Santa's sleeping. Oh my gosh, that was so close. I don't know how many times a person can miss. Just let gravity take effect. You did better when gravity was in charge, Edison. Go, Edison. Oh no, Edison.
I go again.
Go again, Edison. Soft, Edison, soft. Arnar. We stopped keeping score, by the way, because of this reason right here. Go, Edison. Oh my gosh, Edison. Get it in, Edison. Go, Edison. Yay, Edison. Yay! He's already done this one, but it is such a cool one. Oh, Edison, that was so close. There you are.
Oh my god, I did. I hit the phone. Oh my god, we both hit the phones. Whoops. Can we watch that quick? Okay.
Oh, so it's right here. I think your ball is stuck.
What the heck?
Oh my gosh.
What the heck?
I think your ball is stuck. Oh, just put it in the center. That was a
I'm starting.
Are you restarting? Okay. Hold on.
Clammy here in Florida, but you still made a great cut. Hope you had a whole lot of fun.
That's literally my ball.
That was your ball. All right. Now he's gonna do this one with my ball. In the bushes again, Edison.
What the heck? What the
Edison.
What the heck is happening?
Let's see.
Nice fun. You out there on the hockey rink.
Wait, what's on my ball? No, that's green.
That's okay. Good job. We're all done. You ready to go? That one. They finally have the North Pole working again. Look at it, guys. Woo. Time to return our clubs. There's also a pin board inside, but I don't see anything good that I would like. All right, I'm at a different Publix, not my Publix, but I'm here for a late night run. Let's go in. Even though this is my second closest Publix, the layout is different, so I have to find what I'm looking for. I found it. All right, I'll take the butterbeer again. So when I got out the car, Dalton catcalled me from the parking lot, not realizing there was somebody else on the other side of my car, a woman. But I swear they always have like the biggest clearance section at this Publix. Last time I was here, this Publix had a bunch of hair stuff on sale then too. I'm gonna pick this up, see if it helps me. It's $5. Because you see the hair on the top, it needs to calm down. The ladies were asking me about the butterbeer creamer. They're like, we should get some. So I think they may get some. They said they're gonna get some. So we're having a cold front come through and it is freaking cold. So I'm gonna go inside in my car. And now it's time to feed the dogs. The babies you feed. Or just remember there is a great big beautiful tomorrow. We hope to see you in it. Thank you for coming with me on today's adventure with Edison and mini golf and a quick trip to Publix. Have a good night. Bye.